Your apartment has a glow I can't remember. Try as hard as I can, but nothing comes to mind. Me and Lucas fighting over.
Hey guys, it's me, Anne Christine, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to feature cafes and restaurants in Baguio. As you can see in my background, we are here in the city of Pines. I actually uploaded another cafe hopping na vlog. It's cafe hopping in Pampanga na vlog. If you'd like to watch it, I'm gonna link it down below. So yeah, lipat Baguio with me. Tara!
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes.
To the place, I spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, the flat was on your face. And then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Your sudden gaze. They gathered by the sea, sand people anxiously. Not once did speak to me. When tides came, did not flee. They each spoke the same, had the same dreams, same pain and same feelings.
So we are currently at Vanilla Cafe dito sa Camiseta Hotel. But nauna na silang lahat sa loob. And I'm here because my baby is sleeping. So sunod na lang siguro ako na probably after 10 or 15 minutes.
1, 2, 3, 4. You've got magic in your eyes, little one, and a smile that is brighter than the moon. You've got everything that you need inside of you already, and so much love surrounding you. The world can be a wobbly place.
We are now here sa final stop namin. We chose this as a final stop kasi it's along Marcos Highway. Pababa na siya. Pauwi na siya ng Pampanga. So, yun. Actually, of all the places we visited, this one by far is yung pinakagusto namin yung vibe.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue, 'cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue, that's when I do. That's when I do. I guess the truth is I can't leave memories behind. She asked about you, I hesitate every time.
And that ends our cafe and restaurant hopping here in Baguio. Thank you so much for joining us. I'll be putting all the details in the description box. Till my next one. Bye.
Sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue, 'cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first.